Hello guys, welcome. I hope all of you are well. It's been a while since I've done a last video. This one's going to be about Photron X P10, some Bluetooth speaker that I got from Amazon during the sale. I got it for like around 899. This actually has two 4-watt speakers in it, and then they said that it's really good value for money. So I just wanted to give it a quick try and then see if it meets up my expectation. So the packaging is pretty minimal. You have a smaller box here. Let's look at it later. So let me go ahead and open this box real quick. So you get this product manual, and then you get the speaker itself, which is wrapped in plastic. The highlight is that this particular speaker, they claim that it's made up of anodized aluminum, but I'm not sure. Time will tell. This comes with a memory card slot, and then it's also water resistant, is what they say. So you have a button to trigger the memory card option, and it looks a bit solid, right? I could feel that it's solid, but I'm not sure about the performance here. So pairing it again, it's a very straightforward process. You could initiate the connection from your phone, turn on the Bluetooth pair, and then the device would pair very easily. Now let's go ahead and play a song real quick. Enjoy the music, guys. So talking about the sound profile, right? It's flat, and it's not something which I would say as a very bass heavy unit. So you get a neutral sounding speaker at this price point, and I find it really good because I like flat sounds, right? When manufacturers put way too much emphasis on bass and treble, it just ruins the music. So yeah. So at 1000 rupees, you could definitely go for this because the sound quality is really good. Even if you bump up the volume all the way, the distortion is noticeable at around 95-90% volume. But again, nobody would be listening at that levels. So I guess for the money, it's really a value proposition. I guess if you guys are looking for Bluetooth speaker, you should definitely give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead. Subscribe, like, dislike, leave a comment. Bye bye.